And welcome back. So we just had mainly cloudy skies, some light snow showers across the region, but very cold air filtering into the area as we meet our way through the day today. Here's a look at outside right now. Still a lot of cloud cover, and there's some fog developing out there with current temperature of 3 degrees after reaching our high just after midnight at 22. Temperatures been falling all day. The wind chill at 17 below zero with those winds around 15 to 30 miles per hour from a north-northeasterly direction. Air temperatures look like this: 7 at Lexington, 3 at Broken Bow and Imperial, near the 0-degree mark at Ogallala and Thedford, 3 below zero the current temperature at Valentine, with the winds sustained between 15 and 30 miles per hour from a northerly direction. That's really pumping in cool air basically from the Arctic, and some of the strongest wind gusts out there right now between 30 and even as high as 36 miles per hour in Broken Bow. Here's a look at the wind chill across the region, with most of us now between 15 and 30 below zero, so prepare for that if you're spending any time outside. Let's take a look at the weather alerts across the region. These are for the snow. So from North Platte points off to the south and east, still a winter weather advisory that does go until midnight Central Time, or at noon Central Time on Thursday, that is. Now from Ogallala and Stapleton and points off to the north, that's where they have the winter storm warning also until noon Central Time tomorrow. There's a look at the Doppler radar. As you can see, the most snow across the region is up near the South Dakota border. Cherry County up toward Valentine had hours and hours of snow as we made our way through the morning, with just mainly cloudy skies across the rest of our viewing area. But if you look off to the south and off to the west, we do have a band of some snow making its way across portions of northwestern Colorado that will eventually, as we go through the next few hours, move into our viewing area and produce a couple more inches of snow across most of the region. This low pressure system is exiting. We're basically on the backside, the very cold side of the system right now, with snow across South Dakota and Minnesota. There's the direct flow from the Arctic. Another high pressure system is our next weather maker, but we're going to keep the cool air at least through the day on Friday. Here's a look at the additional snowfall we're looking at. This is through the overnight period, we'll say. That last band of snow looks to put down another 1 to 3 inches, especially from the I-80 corridor and points off to the south. There could be some isolated areas around 3 inches. This shows near the Lexington area. So we're just waiting for that last band of snow. Here's what it's going to look like as we make our way through the 8 p.m. hour. There it is right over us, but it doesn't stay over us very long. It's gone by around 11. And then we continue to have that very strong northerly wind. Air temperatures for lows are going to be around 5 degrees below zero, much colder wind chills. We only make it up to 10 degrees for a high on your Thursday, with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. And for the day on Friday, starting off near zero, and we're finally warming up to the low to mid 20s. Here's what it looks like on the wide map. So that low is exiting right now. There's that cooler high pressure system. So for Thursday and Friday, we do think we're going to have mostly sunny skies. Another low pressure system is going to skirt us off to the south to start the weekend, but there's barely any moisture with it before another warmer high pressure system really does warm us up pretty nicely into the upper 40s, maybe even some areas near 50 as we finish out the weekend and start next week. Here's a look at the extended forecast. So 10 for tomorrow with mostly sunny skies and partly cloudy Friday with a high of 26. Then up to 46 on Saturday, mostly sunny. Still think we do have partly cloudy skies and a chance of some rain showers, and maybe even could have a rumble of thunder on Sunday night after reaching a high of 48 degrees. 50 on Monday, mostly sunny and windy, upper 40s Tuesday, and another slight chance of some rain or snow showers for Wednesday of next week, and a high of 44. We'll be back after this.
Why are